Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Book of Meow token. Now this token had a pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Very successful pre-sale. The Book of Meow token ticker symbol is BOMEEOW. They were on Pink Sale having a pre-sale, and then it was just announced recently that they're also getting a very big central exchange listing after the pre-sale's over. The Solana meme tokens are very popular these days. A lot of people are interested in Solana and base chain meme tokens. Very trendy right now. So yeah, you can find this token on Pink Sale in the Launchpad list section by searching Book of Meow or the name of the ticker symbol for this token, and you'll be able to see it on Dex Screener and Dex Tools once it goes live on Raydium. And then we'll also talk about which central exchange it's getting listed on. So they're actually trending #1 right now on Pink Sale. They have about 4 or 5 hours left of this pre-sale if you want to check it out. If you're a subscriber, you'll see this video in time to go check out the public pre-sale on Pink Sale before it wraps up. If you're not a subscriber, hit subscribe, obviously, so you don't miss these new tokens. But we're going to go over the info on this token, how you can get it, all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So just this morning too, I uploaded a video, my first members only video for this channel. If you were a channel member, I uploaded a full 44-minute guide on how to find new crypto tokens before basically they get listed on big exchanges, before they pump, all that type of stuff. So a brand new guide here for channel members. If you're not a channel member, just hit that join button if you're interested in seeing new videos like that. Probably do one every month or two, maybe a big guide on how to do stuff, but it'll be like a really cool video that's kind of unlike the other videos that I normally upload. So this token trending #1 right now on Pink Sale. Now, there's a lot of Solana meme tokens trending right now on Pink Sale, and a lot of them are actually getting big central exchange listings. So this is one of them. On their Pink Sale page, it says Bitmart listing confirmed, and it is confirmed because Bitmart has posted it on their Twitter a couple days ago. There's also another token called Slowkey, which I believe is also being listed on Bitmart. That's trending #2 on Pink Sale right now. And then there's another one called Baby Cat, trending #8 on Pink Sale. That's going to Bitmart. So a lot of these new Solana meme tokens that are on Pink Sale pre-sale that are doing extremely well are going over to Bitmart shortly after their Pink Sale pre-sale. So this one has sold 6,703.65 Solana tokens right now on Pink Sale, worth $1.2 million. So their pre-sale is doing insanely well. Book of Meow is the perfect potential 100 times coin on Sol. If you missed Bome Slurf, it's now time for Book of Meow to take the stage. Bitmart listing confirmed. Base team OG marketers that did 20 to 50 times projects. Published in over 450 plus press releases. They have lots of marketing, worldwide Telegram influencers, trending fast track to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, multi-platform banner ads, 24/7 non-stop shilling, live staking, NFT badges and bridges, and all sorts of things going on here. So 9 decimal places on this token, 690 million tokens total supply. Soft cap for this pre-sale was set at 50 SOL. And they've had almost 4,000 people invest in this pre-sale, and they've sold 6,716 SOL. So I'm pretty sure this is a successful pre-sale, and they've definitely passed their soft cap. So pre-sale is going to end today, April 2nd at 17 hours UTC time. And then shortly after the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to get this token on Raydium by funding your trust or your Phantom wallet or Soulflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Book of Meow token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, Bomeow.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We'll go over that though. They have a full audit by CoinSalt. You can find that on Pink Sale. They have a KYC. They were doxed to Pink Sale, and they have an AMA button on there as well. So they do AMAs on Telegram, on their announcement channel. You can check that out. Liquidity will be locked on Raydium for 180 days. 67.36% of their tokens go to pre-sale. 32.63% of the tokens go to liquidity. So shortly after the pre-sale is over too, this token will be listed on Bitmart. They already announced it on Bitmart's Twitter. So you can follow their Telegram at BOMEEOW_Sol. They have over 5,600 Telegram members. Over 740 of them are online right now. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen at BOMEOW_Solana, blue verified checkmark. They have a full link tree on there that takes you to their website, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, Pink Sale, pre-sale, webpage, all that type of stuff is in their full link tree there. And on their webpage, they have even more info. They also have a Reddit and a GitHub linked on Pink Sale as well. So they have a full white paper on their webpage. They have a dashboard. They have their partners on here: SoulScan, Raydium, DexView, Dex Tools, Pink Sale, Bitmart. So Book of Meow is a token that derives its value from internet, memes, trends, or jokes. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, often backed by technology or utility, this is driven by community interest and the memes. So yeah, this token, I mean, they have a how to buy on Raydium too. If you don't know how to use Raydium, it's on their webpage. They're going to introduce NFTs. You can check out the NFTs on their page. You'll be able to buy those soon. They're going to have a staking dApp, their own swap. There's no taxes on this token if you buy it later off Raydium. And yeah, so check this out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Book of Meow? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Check out my other videos that I'm going to upload today on other Solana meme tokens. A lot of them are being listed on Bitmart. Lots of Bitmart Solana meme tokens out today. Doing very well. Some of them still have a day or two left on their pre-sale as well. So if you don't want to miss new pre-sales, hit that subscribe button. If you're not a member yet, hit that join button so you can check out my new members only videos. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.